Do you ever feel like your face just needs some refresh, some moisture, just a little rejuvenation? My name's Hannah with WTI, and Olivia Uma has this really amazing pudding calming everyday face cream. I have loved this stuff. It feels so good to put on my skin. I put it on several times a day whenever my face feels like it just needs a little oomph. It just has a really nice light feeling on your skin. It has aloe vera in it and it feels really nice and cool, especially if I've been out in the sun and I feel like I just got a little too much sun on my face and it feels tight. This stuff hydrates, cools, and makes your face feel amazing. It's for all different kinds of skin types and it can help all different kinds of skin issues. It has a very light fragrance to it. It just smells really fresh and clean. I could talk about it for hours because I love it so much. So go ahead and try it and you will enjoy that amazing feeling on your skin as well. But that's just my point of view.